Pranathee of Grade 10 Aster hosting today's assembly along with
Confidence and hard work are the best medicines to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. And I am Divyasree hosting today's assembly.
Let's start our day with an energetic good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning to respectful teachers and my dear friends. We hope everyone is well and good. We are glad to see you all back. I wish that this day will become a tenacious Thursday for everyone. Tenacious means a person who never gives up and is bold. I wish you to be tenacious.
Our responsibility to express gratitude towards God for keeping us safe and healthy till now.
We must pray God to heal the world with His blessings. Prayer is one of the ways to acknowledge Him.
We request you all to stand for our assembly and kindly mute your microphones. Good and inspiring thought can spice up your day. Reading new thought in the morning works like a fuel, which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire us with thought, here comes Latika.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is, life is a collection of changes, so don't avoid changes. Take every change as a challenge. Some give success and some act as a stepping stone to success. Thank you.
It was refreshing. What's next, Divya?
Updating ourselves is good and never any habit. Now, Mogna will make us updated with today's news.
Namaste. Today's news. International news. US sets case tariff on 6 nations for digital taxes. National news. Cabinet approves Model Tenancy Act. Says it will help landlords and tenants. State news. Mega housing work set to kick off today in Andhra Pradesh. Sports news. Naomi Osaka wins second US Open title after beating Azarenka. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, myself Hari Sampath. I am the CEO of a company right now. I used to have 3 friends. They are Ashish, Anmol and Kevin. Even though we were very close, we were completely different when it comes to attitudes. I have a really strong recollection of my past memories when I was in my school and especially during when I was in my online classes. Let's see how they were.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn some moral values.
Okay, ma'am.
I know all the moral values and I am using them in every day. Why should I learn them again? I'll just hear them.
Dear, your exams are very near and you need to prepare well.
Come on,
Okay, ma'am.
enjoy a moment. Always think about the exam.
Hello, children. It's time to submit your homework. Kevin, did you complete your homework?
No, ma'am. But if you ask me any question regarding that, I'm 100% sure I'm gonna answer you.
I know you are all very well talented, but you have to make sure that you all have to learn and revise the concept properly. What about you, Hari? Did you complete your homework?
Yes ma'am, I completed all of my homeworks. I am doing the doubtful problems I have, but I referred other books and also did some extra work.
Good morning, children. It's time for your test right now. All the best. Prepare well.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What, Anmol, are you seeing and writing? Why are you turning pages?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I studied, ma'am. I'll write it.
Okay.
School life is a boon which we cannot get back once it passes away from us. So we should enjoy it while we have it and get a strong and a good basement for our future. Without a basement, we can't get any building. And with a weak basement, the building will eventually collapse. So we should work hard. So friends, I would like to conclude today's skit by telling you all to work hard. Never give up. Hard work beats talent. And also, winners don't do different things. They do things differently. Thank you.
We welcome our Honorable Director, Mrs. Padma Subramaniam, to encourage us with our words.
A happy morning to all of you. It's really a very happy occasion that we are having our assembly on the screen, a virtual assembly, literally after nearly 400 odd days. We really miss the morning assembly, children. We miss you all. The building is totally vacant without your voices, without your laughters. And it is a great credit given to your teachers who have really come forward to organize such a beautiful assembly for you, which is a very good start of the day. Usually assemblies are organized in the school for a very good start of the day. And today, I was really very happy that you have used technology to that extent that you could really give us a beautiful presentation, a beautiful skit on the screen. Thank you so much, children, for making it so vibrant. And also all the teachers who have really put in their efforts to make this happen today. So as it was told, a good start of the day is very important. And a good beginning makes a huge difference in everybody's life. So students, you need to start, make this beginning of this new academic year, which you had already started off. I would say this is the second phase of your grade 10, which you're starting, because you have already completed one periodic assessment already. So this beginning of the second phase of the new academic year, I want every one of you, each one of you to be focused, to be optimistic and full of dedication. Isn't it? A good beginning always makes a difference. That is what I have always been telling you all. So every day has to be dealt with. Today is the day I am going to make a difference. It is not tomorrow. Your efforts are very important. As a student, you have a huge responsibility on you, because once you take over the responsibility of a student, nobody can stop you from success. And the 5 qualities which I always share with you in the classroom to be a good student is, first one is your efforts. You need to give in your best efforts to make your academic year really successful. Focus on your studies, focus on whatever you do. It is not only academics, I would say. Focus on whatever you do with a lot of optimism. Today, we never thought that we would have an assembly like this, but we made it. It is only because we were determined to have it with a lot of optimism, and also we had a lot of focus on it. We had teachers working on it, and we had some of the students also working on it. So nothing is impossible, right? You need to have the right kind of food which will help your body, not help your tongue. You know, you need to have good diet planned. You need to have good food so that you could help your body and your mind work well, concentrate better. You need to have good thoughts coming into you, isn't it? So you need to have a good diet. You need to have big goals. Big goals. Do not be a miser. Do not be a miser of having small goals. Have a big goal, then make short-term goals, work for it. Simply having goals stuck to the wall will not help you. You need to work for it, right? So with these things, I wish you all a very happy academic year. I would say happy academic year, because I know that each one of you here on the screen would take over the responsibilities happily. When you do that, you will really end up happily at the end of the year, correct? So take over this academic year. You are the senior most batch of the school. You are the role models for all the juniors of the school. I always keep telling our students on the farewell day, but children, I would like to share this with all of you on the first day of this new academic year. I really wish I could be the person in the future when you all grow up to be the person standing outside your offices, waiting for your appointment to invite you people to be the chief guests of Rainbow School. This is the kind of trust and confidence I have in each one of you as a student. And I know you will all do it. So wishing you all the best. I leave the screen for the next program. Thank you so much. Happy day.
It gives immense pleasure to us to see you all on one platform. And thank you, children, for presenting a beautiful assembly, even though it's virtual today. You have entered into class 10. Okay, this is the last year of your schooling. All the last 13 years of your effort or your hard work is going to be tested in this year. Don't set up any limitations for yourself. All of you are blessed with equal capabilities. So you have to work hard to achieve anything in your life. So dream high and plan everything properly, work hard and achieve the greatest success.
A very good morning to all of you. And it's really wonderful, just like Padma ma'am and then later Annie ma'am told, to see you all together like this is a blessing. And we really miss this blessing of seeing you physically. And we're all praying that very soon all of us can meet together here at school. That being said, let us now look at the positives of the pandemic. I think today's assembly was awesome, this being the very first assembly which has been put together for this academic year. And it is an online assembly which we have not tried out till now. So kudos to the class teacher as well as the students. You've done a very good job. It is an excellent assembly, excellent assembly. You have set the right benchmark. And henceforth, all other assemblies should be higher than this. So already our standard has been set very high. That is another positive that we got from this pandemic only. We didn't know that we could conduct an online assembly this effectively. Okay, it has disrupted our life. It has disrupted the interactions that you would physically have with us over here in the school. But that doesn't mean that you have to give up on everything. You can use your presence of mind and take advantage of these online classes. Make sure that you concentrate 100% and put in 200% of effort after the classes even, and make this year a rocking success for yourself. All the very best, students.